No, do the blue checker.
Blue checker.
That's number 6. I've got it written down.
Number 6. Who's got to start for 10?
100.
We've got 100, we've got 100, we've got 100, we've got 100, we've got 100. 100 we got here, 100 we got here. 110, 110 we got, 110 we got, 110 we got. 110, 120 we got, 120 we got, 120 over here. 130 we got, 130 we got, 130 over here. 140, 140, 150. 150 going once at 150. Twice we've got 160. 160 over here, 170 over there. 170 we've got 170, 170, we're on 170, 170, got it, 170, sold to the man himself. Right. The other one?
These birds any good?
The blue bar.
These birds
Blue
any
bar.
good, or they just
Number
using
7, is it?
up the road?
Yeah.
Under the bridge.
We've got 100, we've got 100, we've got 100. Have we got any better than 100? We've got 110, we've got 110, 110, 120, 120, 120, 130, 130, 130, 130. Once at 130. Twice. 130, 140, 150, 160. 160 we got
So
here.
200,
160.
200.
200 we got, 200 we got, 200 we got, 210. 210 we got, 210. 210 we got,
230.
once at 210.
230.
240. 240 here, 240 here, 240, 240 we got, 250 we got, 250, 260, got 260, 260 we got, 280, 280 we got, 290 we got, 290, 300.
300.
300 we got, 300. 300 we got, 300 we got, 300, going once at 300, 310. 310, 310, 310, once at 310, sold to David.
Yeah, I should have bought the first one.
Yeah, that's right. I think we've got like.
I'll tell you which ones are coming out. 46 is the mealy.
46 is the mealy.
No, that's the same breed.
He's got a start. Whose are they? He's got Mr. Kurt. Where are you, Steph? We've got 200, we've got 200, we've got 200, we've got 200. This man's king. 2 we've got, 2 we've got. Going once at 2.
50.
250, 250, 260. 260 we've got 260. 260 we've got 260.
Anyway.
260 we've got 260. Going once at 260. Twice at 260. Sold to the man. Right, the 46. No, the 47. Which is the blue bar. Have we got a starter for 2?
Yeah.
We've got 2, we've got 2, we've got 2, we've got 2. 250, 250, 260. 260, we've got 260. 260, we've got 260. Go once at 260, twice at 260, sold. Right. The blue checker 5, which is number 4.
So 49.
49. 49, which is this one here. Who are we? Peter Campbell.
No.
No, it's
Tim.
mine.
Oh, it's not. It's Helen
Oh, that's
and
him again.
Helen and Mad.
Oh, the man.
Mad.
Mad,
E.
yeah,
But
my
they-
two sisters.
Oh, you tell, yeah. Okay, who's got us out for 50 cents? It's the sisters. 200 we got, 200 we got, 200 we got, 200 we got.
Go on, do it again.
200 we got, 200 we got. Go once at 200. Twice at 200. So. Right, the other one is the blue
Well, who
bar,
brought them?
48.
They brought them?
Yeah. At this stage.
got
I'm coughing up. Let's see if we can get it there.
Right. Start of the other one, 100.
No, give them 2.
Give him 2, give him 2, give him 2, give him 2. 250, 250, 260. 260 we've got, 260. 270 we've got, 280. 280 we've got, 280. 290 we've got, 290. 300 we've got, 300. 300, thanks.
No, that wasn't it. That was me giving up.
300 we've got, 300, gone once to 300, twice to 300, sold to 2. Or whoever. Right, the pile, we've got 2 mealies in there, so we'll have to take it
No, you don't. So 33 is one mealy and 34 is the other mealy.
now. Alrighto.
So you're doing 33 first.
Peter Campbell, 35. Number 35.
No, that's the slate.
Which one are you starting with?
33.
33.
It's a mealy.
It's a
The
mealy.
colours are up there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
33.
I usually start from the top and work down, not from the
Yeah.
bottom.
Probably nestmates, are they? Are they nestmates?
No, none of them are this way.
Oh. Okay.
Right. Number 33 is a mealy. What are we starting off, Peter?
Al Campbell's it's got.
Lawrence,
Lawrence.
so the granddaughter.
50?
I'll go to 100.
You'll go for 100. 100 we got, 100 we got. We're going to start at 100. 100 we got, 100 we got, 100 we got.
250 for Amelia.
Pardon?
250 for Amelia.
250 for a meal. 250, 250, 250. 250 at Tony. 250 we got, 250 we got, 250 we got, 260 we got, 260 out the back, 260 out the back. Going once at 260. 270. 270 we got, 270, 280 we got, 280, 290 we got, 290. 290 we got, 300. 300 we got, 300. 310 we got, 310, 310 we got, 310 got 320, 320, 320 we got, 320 we got, going once at 320, twice at 320, sold.
Who too?
No, I bet it.
Well, he was 320.
Yeah, well, I bet it.
Did you bid again, or
Yeah.
I thought you were getting out?
330.
All right, 330. 330,
Oh.
330. No, he did something.
350.
350, 350 we got 350, 360 we got 360, 360 we got 360, 360, now once to 360,
Whose bid was
his bid,
Pete.
it's your bid.
It's 370.
It was
360.
Yeah, it's 360.
it? It was 70.
If he wants to bid
360.
he's got to go 370. He went 350, he went 360. So if he wants it, it's 370.
370.
370, 370 we got, 370 we got, 370, going once to 370, 380, 380 we got, 380, 380 over here, 380 going once, 400, 400 we got, 400, 400 we got, going once to 400, 410, 410, 410, 410, going once to 410, twice to 410,
No, he bid here.
420.
420. 420, 420, 420, 420. And once at 420,
No, it's 33.
33.
Yeah.
Let him go. Sold.
Hey, well done.
Well, you might have got 3 plus.
What about me?
Okay.
Right, the other man, hang on, hang on, hang on.
No. Where's it going? Who's lost it flying in? I need to know that now.
Pete.
Anybody want it?
Anyone
50
want it?
bucks.
Yeah, I'll just-
Scotty's.
Mine's my man,
Scotty.
my one.
Scotty's.
So it's going to Scotty.
Yeah.
Scotty's.
Right. Right, 34 is Big Campbell. Who's going to start for the
Bet's players for grandsons.
100?
Yeah, I'll go 100 for a start.
I'll go for 100. 100 we got, 100 we got, 100 we got, 100 we got.
250 for Amelia. I told you.
Oh, I'll go 250 then.
Okay, 250 for
250, 250 going once at 250. Twice at 250. Sold. Right, the slate, which is number 35, and it's Peter's Bird.
Says he had 2 reds.
150?
Should be a million.
Oh, 250.
100?
I'll go 100. Yeah.
100 we got, 100 we got, 100 we got, 100.
It's only 200 for a slate.
No?
200.
Who's backing 200?
Me.
You're putting 200, okay. 200 here, 200, 210. 210, 210, 210, 210. Once at 210, twice at 210, sold. Right.
That's it.
Who's this
Well,
one?
how much for that spray
You have it for free.
Thank you for your bidding, Peter.
Make a good draw.